Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to easily do the airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. So just follow these instructions and you will be able to do it. So just let's say scroll down, and here is the first section. Does this glitch still work? So it depends on your device, your Monopoly Go version, and a lot of other factors. The game developers have been trying to patch and get rid of this, but some people are still reporting some levels of success. So you can try and check if it works or not. So this is how you can do it. First step is turn on airplane mode. This cut off the game connection to the internet. Second is roll dice. Players could roll as many times as they want without the game registering on the server. So you will be kind of offline, and after that force close the app. This was done before reconnecting to the internet. So just before reconnecting the internet, force close the app, clear app data. This erase the local data of those dice rolls. And after that, reopen the game. Upon reconnecting, the game only remember the player's position before the glitch was performed, allowing them to essentially go do-over on their dice rolls. And this is basically how you can do the airplane mode glitch, and it keeps working again and again, so you can just do it again and again, and why the glitch becomes less effective. So this is basically frequent server checks and improved local data handling, and game developers actively work to prevent these kinds of exploits. Changes have been implemented, so basically they are explaining that this glitch might not work after a while, or still working in some devices and not in the others. So you can try this method and check if it works or not for you. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.